Now I'm gonna go into the details of the different kind of adjustments. Let's start off with the easiest adjustment. Like I said, the most natural usually for most people is getting to the ball when it's far away from them. So this means you're just gonna move to it and hit your normal shot. So you're ready position, you realize it's farther from you, you spring up, you start turning, you start doing that whole motion that we've been going over in the past 2 lessons. Go to it, and the key on this one, the key is making sure that you don't get too close to it. Making sure you see your crosshair where your contact point is. You see it there, you make sure you stop so you're hitting there, so you don't get too close. And usually the main problem on this is you get too excited, you run to the ball, you end up too close to the ball, you jam yourself. It's rarely a problem where you're not close enough. I mean, if you're not close enough, your opponent hit a winner, basically is almost hitting a winner on you. You're almost there and you miss it, that's not really an issue because you tried your best. The problem is when you have enough time and you get there, but you run a little bit, you take an extra step in, that's your main issue. That's the main issue on when the ball is too far away from you. Now let me demonstrate. It's far away from you, you go to it and hit it like normal. Let me show it again. It's far away from you, you go to it, hit it like normal. One more time. Far away, go to it, hit it like normal. Like I said, avoid this. It's far away, you get to it, too close. You don't want to do that.